So here I have built one project which will automate Facebook posts like a pro with n8n and Loveable, so that use a page owner of a Facebook page don't need to include any page admin for to post every day every week. That's it. So that from that n8n and Loveable, that Facebook page owner can automate the whole system with it. So here in this Loveable, I have created just a basic user interface. Here you can see only web hook URL, which will be I will get from that n8n, and the title and the post content. In future user can add images also. So if I show you the workflow in the n8n, it's a though it's looking simple, and here I have added one web hook, and here I have added the Facebook, and I have connected this Facebook with uh, my Facebook page, and so that from by taking the access token from that page, and to create by creating one app. And inside of this Facebook Graph API, I have set up these things, and in the webhook URL I will just use this test URL for now, and this is the production one. And if I go and if I execute the workflow, and if I go inside my page, and here it is the URL, and for example I put one title with base quality random. So before submit, I want to show you that in the Facebook page, if I reload my Facebook page, there will be nothing here for the beginning. There is no post before after 6 April. So now going to my site, and here already I have given, and if I click on submit, it is successfully submitted. If I go to my n8n, also one notification came that workflow executed successfully. As you can see, I got the response by iPhone 16 Pro with best quality. If I go to my Facebook page and reload my Facebook page now, it should come here. Yeah, by iPhone 16 Pro and with best quality. So here you can see, by this way we can post Facebook post easily with the help of n8n and Loveable. So these two things are interconnected, and by this way we can reduce the time and workload. I will make it more advanced, and more feature I will add here. So yeah, thank you.